What's up everyone? Today's video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel on your mobile phone. So I'm going to take you through all the steps and the setup that you need to know before you start a YouTube channel and how you can create and upload a video into your YouTube account. So first of all, make sure you go on your phone and open the YouTube app. And when you open the app, you will see at the down bottom there, you see you there. So if you haven't registered an account or you don't have an email account, you cannot open it like how you see it. So you go to your email account and register your account. You will see at your name there, you will see create a channel and click on the create channel. So when you click on this site, it will take you through a place that you need to set up your channel name and the handles that you want to use to create the channel. So go in and set up your channel name. Like I want to use this channel name, and then I save it, and you can change the profile image here. Choose any image that you want to use. So let's say I want to use this image. Then you can crop the image, set it at how you want it to be, and click on save. The handles, you can set up your own handles. So this handles shows the URL of your account or your page. So I can set it like this and then save it. So in case someone wants you to send your channel URL, you can use this one. And let's say I will set my channel name as this one to make it easier for people to see my channel. Then you click on create channel. So as you can see, this is how my channel look like, and I can go in and view the channel. Now we need to customize the channel. To customize the channel, you can come to this section which is right. So when you click on that one, then you can add your channel description here and then set up the background of your channel. So if I go in, I can choose any image that I want to use to set up my channel background. Then you come to the channel description. That's the description of your channel. Then you set that one too. So you write about how your channel is all about. Then once you're done, you click on save to save your channel or your channel description. So after you have done creating it, go to your browser, either Chrome browser or any kind of browser that you are using, and type on youtube.com. Go in and you find sign in here. Click on that one and you see your channel is a continue asset, and then choose that one. We have a 3-dot line out there, so if you click on that one, then you type on desktop site. So when you use that desktop site, it will enable you to, if you use that one, then it will make you able to access the YouTube on your desktop. So once you are done, you can see your channel icon here. Click on that one. If you tap on this one, you can see we have you say view channel. So click on view channel, go to the customers channel option. So when you tap on that one, it will direct you to a YouTube studio. So it will take you to this site, and this site you need to first go to the basic option. So for the basic option, you have a lot of options here. One, you can edit your channel name, change the name and then the handle too, and then you can add more description to your channel. And the language, you can change the language to your preferred language, and you can see the channel URL. That one you can leave it, And here you can add a link to your channel. If you have any social media links or any social media account like Facebook, Instagram, and the rest, you can add that one in there. And you can add your email address here. So if you don't go to that place, you cannot be able to do these settings. Then you come to the brand section. The watermarks, you can do it, that you can use the YouTube watermarks for that one. And if you come to the layout, you just leave that one just like that. So once you have done with it, you can come in and click on publish to publish it. Then we need to also do a lot of settings here. So on your left hand side, you will see we have this settings menu here. Click on or tap on that setting menu, and this setting menu will take you to this option. First, you choose the currency that you want to use for your account. So this one, I want to use the USD. Then I will just choose the USD, and you come to the channel here. So channel, we are come to set up our area of residence where you live. So let's say you are targeting people from different country, but you just use your own location, and you add the channel tags. Okay, what do you want to talk about? Let's say mine is affiliate marketing, and then you break comma to it, then it will change to a tags. Okay, then you come to more settings. Here you choose if your channel is made for kids or not. Make sure here you choose wisely. If your channel, the content that you are going to put on your channel is not for children, don't choose yes, it said this channel as made for kids. Or you can choose I want to review this setting for every video for that one. Then let's go in and do some settings here that will make us able to upload and be able to access some YouTube features. The first one we have already be enabled, and then the next one is it will help you to upload 15 minutes and add a custom thumbnail to your channel, and also you can go live on your channel. So this one, what you need to do is what to make sure you verify your phone number on that one. And we have the next one. So for the next one, you tap on it. The requirement is to what upload a valid ID. And the next one, you can even this one you choose one of it, and the next one you can use a video to verify your account. Once you are done, you can have access to to appeal content ID cream, create more live stream, upload more videos daily, create more short dailies, and a whole lot of things. And you can add external link into your video, and you will be able to apply for YouTube monetization. So this is what you need to make sure you do it. So now your channel is set, or everything is ready. You just click on publish to publish it. You may think how or wondering how can you upload a video on this platform. So when you come to this site, you see we have create here. So if you tap on the create, you can then you go to upload the video through your mobile phone or your local device, or go live, or create a new playlist and or a new podcast.